What's up everyone, this is Tom with RedmondPie.com. Now personally I think it's pretty crazy that WhatsApp isn't available for the iPod and the iPad. So in this one I'm going to be showing you how to actually install and activate WhatsApp on the iPad or an iPod. I just want to very quickly mention that you do actually need an iPhone or have access to one very briefly for this setup process to work. But let's just jump straight in and jump over to my Mac. It works with PC as well. Okay, so once we're on the Mac or PC, there's kind of two steps to this. So the first one is the install of WhatsApp itself. So you're going to want to go to iTunes and you're going to want to go to the App Store section and just type in WhatsApp. You basically need to download the .iap for the WhatsApp. So then just go ahead and click download. Once you've typed in your password, that will begin to download. I'd imagine that it will be quite quick depending on your internet speed. And then just pop up your Finder, as you can see here. This is almost downloaded. And what you're going to want to do is click go up in the top right hand corner. The process should be very similar on Windows. So just kind of follow along. I will outline some very basic differences on the post on RedmondPie.com. That will be linked down below in the description. So what we're going to do is go to Home. You can actually just click on the tab on the side. You go to Music, go to iTunes Media, go to Mobile Applications, like here. And as you can see, you get the WhatsApp IAP. And just drag that over to your desktop, so we can kind of access it in a second. And now we'll be using a program called iFunbox. So let's just go ahead and open this up. It's basically a kind of a file manager for your iPod or iPad. Obviously you'll need it to be connected via USB. That's the first step. What you're going to want to do is just click on the install app thing right here. You just click install app. And then just navigate to your desktop. As you can see, click on the IAP, which you IPA rather. I keep on saying IAP, I don't know why. But just click on that, click open, and then it will literally just install. And that is the install process. Once it's done, anyway, that is the install process done. You will see a small icon on the iPod or iPad once you've done it, but it won't do anything currently because we haven't activated it. And I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so here's the part where you need somebody's iPhone. You need to download a fresh copy of WhatsApp. That means deleting it if you haven't, if you've already got it installed. And you want to go ahead and register your the phone number that you want to use on your iPod or your iPad. Just register that number. And then you'll verify it with a text message or a call, I believe it is. And once you've done that, you literally just jump back over onto our computer. Okay, so once you've verified your number and set up WhatsApp on your iPhone or your friend's iPhone if you've borrowed one, what you're going to want to do is just go on to plug in the iPhone to iFunbox. So just take out your iPad or iPod and plug in your iPhone. You're going to want to go to User Applications. You're going to go to WhatsApp and you're going to copy the library and the documents to your desktop. So literally just copy those two. They are here, as you can see just there. And then what we're going to do is then unplug the iPhone and plug back in the iPad or iPod, depending on what you're using. The setup process is pretty much exactly the same. And then we're going to go into, once we got the iPod on, going to go into User Applications, open up WhatsApp once again, and then replace the two which are already in there. So they should automatically replace, but just to be safe, you can just delete the two which are currently in there, and then just drag in the two which we have here. So that will just kind of foolproof it, just like that. And there we have it, guys, a very simple and quick way to access WhatsApp on an iPod or iPad without a jailbreak. As you can see, I have it working here. You may just need to quit out of the app if you're having issues. But to be honest, it works pretty much flawlessly. As you can see, I've got it installed on both my iPod and my iPad here. There are no issues. I haven't had any issues as of yet. You can still use the same phone number, I believe, between the two devices. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you have, please give this video a like. Subscribe to the Redmond Pie YouTube channel if you haven't done already. And I will catch you in the next one.